This guide will help you reduce server timeout issues in Call of Duty 2025 by following a few simple steps. By optimizing your settings and connection, you can enhance your gaming experience. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Ensure that your internet connection is stable and fast. Use a wired connection if possible, as it generally provides a more reliable signal than Wi-Fi. Run a speed test to confirm your download and upload speeds meet the game's requirements. Step 2. Adjust network settings. Access your router settings and enable quality of service quote if available. This feature prioritizes gaming traffic over other types of data, which can help reduce lag and timeout issues. Make sure to assign high priority to your gaming device. Step 3. Change DNS settings. Switch to faster DNS server to improve connection speed. You can use public DNS servers like Google DNS 8.8, 8.8 and 8.8, 4.4 or Cloudflare DNS 1.1, 1.1. Update your DNS settings in your network configuration to see if it helps with server connectivity. Step 4. Optimize and gain settings. Lower the graphics settings and disable any unnecessary features in the game. This can reduce the load on your system and improve performance, potentially reducing the chances of timeout errors during gameplay. Step 5. Restart your devices. After making changes, restart your gaming device and router. This can help apply the new settings and clear any temporary issues that may be causing server timeouts. Once restarted, try connecting to the game again. By following these steps, you should experience fewer server timeout issues in Call of Duty 2025. Enjoy your gaming!